Well, check it out. I guess that settles it, huh? No overnight truck or RV parking. And it looks like that sign has been there for a while, so we won't be boondocking here anytime soon.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV.
Well, this is our first time towing with the new Chevy Colorado, and yes, we are going south. On the turnpike, we encounter a familiar blue truck with silver stripes, and I thought he was gonna pull a Montañez on me, but it is of course Alex and Andrea of Culture, Lifestyle and Travel, and they even got some video of us as well. Well, the truck has been pulling a little to the left, and I have a feeling it has something to do with the weight distribution hitch. So I'm going to stop here at the Walmart parking lot real quick to make some adjustments. And off we go again.
Well, it is the Colorado's maiden voyage, and if you see that, that concrete divider here on the middle of the road, you know where we're going. And it was pulling to the left a little earlier, but I think it was the weight distribution hitch that I had it too tight, actually. And now it's like no hands, and it goes straight, so that's perfect. The weather is not the best today. It's a little cloudy, and we have like a 90% chance rain, but let's hope they're wrong.
Entering Monroe County, which basically means we are leaving mainland Florida, and we are now officially in the Florida Keys. The first key here, Key Largo, at least from US 1, not the most picturesque. Sometimes you don't even feel like you are in the Keys. You have to get off the main highway to really experience its beauty. Now entering Isla Morada, our least explored key so far, essentially because there are no RV parks. There's a lot to see here though, the Theater of the Sea, Whale Harbor, and a bunch of touristy spots. Right here, after Isla Morada, we're going to make our first stop. In part, the purpose of this trip is to reshoot some of the footage of my intro and outro featuring the new truck, and that is exactly what we are going to do now, right here at Indian Key Field, right after Isla Morada. The idea was to find a bridge with an easily accessible pull-through parking area before and after the bridge, and this is one of the few that meets that criteria. Not my best drone work ever, but I got the few seconds I needed. As we're about to leave, this state trooper stops us, and I'm like, what did I do wrong now? Maybe I wasn't supposed to fly the drone, but it turned out he just wanted to say hi as he watches me on YouTube. He even recommended that next time I should fly the drone at this taller, more picturesque bridge. Maybe I will. Marathon, the big city in the middle of the island chain, and the beginning of my favorite part of the Florida Keys, the Lower Keys.
Well, we're now in the 7-mile bridge. By the way, 14.1 miles per gallon. Although I forgot to put the tow mode back there, so that maybe that's why I'm getting. 14.1 is pretty good. Old Kia was 10 on a good day. Anyway, enjoy the 7-mile bridge here. We're almost there.
There it is, Sunshine Key RV Resort, and they just recently reopened. This place got destroyed by Hurricane Irma, and even now, they're just partially opened.
Here we are.
It is like a brand new RV park. All the pedestals and dump stations are brand new, never used before. And they certainly planted a lot of palm trees. They'll charge you for it though. Here's our waterfront elite site, sunset side, prohibitively expensive, but we had to try it once, right?
Okay, let me show you something peculiar, and it is the case with all these elite sides here. On the bay side of the Keys, look where they decided to put the sewer outlet, right in the front of the site, where most RVs have the sewer towards the back, right? So what happens? I'm parked here like all the way to the front of this site, and then I have this huge area back here. That's a huge failure. Design failure right there, if you ask me. Putting the pedestal right here in the front. And this is essentially a brand new RV park because this was totally destroyed with, Hurricane Irma. Totally destroyed. Other than that, I mean, check it out. Welcome to paradise. Yeah, these sites are right here on the water. Very beautiful. But for the amount of money they charge at this place, you would think they would put the sewer hose at a more appropriate place. Anyways, here's the Colorado. Also, not the most level of sites, and I didn't realize it until I had unhitched the vehicle, so it is what it is.
As you can see, the RV park is still mostly empty. A lot of it under construction. Looking towards the west, we can clearly see the broken Bahia Honda Bridge and more of the lower Keys in the distance. Let's see how far we can fly. Okay, that's far enough. Alright, we're hungry, let's go eat. There's Big Pine Fishing Lodge. One of these days we want to stay there. Anyways, we've decided to go to this place called the Bucktooth Rooster in Big Pine Key. Let's see how it is. Food worth crowing about. Let's find out if it's true. IPA, of course.
huge lobster roll.
Many times we've passed by this dive bar called Coconuts, so we want to check it out.
It's a little too dive bar-ish for us. We're just gonna go back to the campground and just relax, chill, wait for the sunset. Sometimes I wonder why the stop sign. This is the marina here. Hello there, iguana.
Let's walk out to the fishing pier and see what it looks like. Check out all the little fishies. Well, there were a bunch of people fishing on the pier, but I didn't feel like sticking the camera in their face, so instead, I caught these two. Coming to the Keys kind of makes me wish I had a boat.
That's a nice boat. Let's walk around the park. Everybody has like 3 extensions on their sewer hose. Because, yeah, it's poor design for sure.
Yep, it's like a brand new RV park. And such an idyllic location.
Tiki bar.
They have this beach area, but no swimming, only sunbathing. Pretty nice though, with this view of the bridge. You can fish too, I guess.
Here we are. There's many team in the trailer.
One last drone flight as the day comes to an end. I was hoping for a nice sunset, but not such luck. There's the 7-mile bridge, and you can barely distinguish Marathon on the horizon. Well, good morning. It is really a privilege to wake up to this, let me tell you.
Fly, pelican.
Well, hello everybody. Today I want to show you our Winnebago Micro Minnie 1706 FB 2015 model, and let you know how it's holding up after 4 years of pretty heavy use. Okay, at the time we bought it, this was like the smallest and lightest unit Winnebago sold, and that was the main premise for our purchase. It fit in my driveway, and I was able to tow it, sort of, with my previous vehicle, which was a 2004 Kia Sorento, which died recently, by the way. So this is it too. I forgot to turn off the patio light. The patio light I did change into an LED. It used to be incandescent, and I've done many modifications to it. By the time, at the moment in 2014 when we bought it, this was the smallest unit, and it only came in gray. The smaller one. The bigger ones came in all kinds of different colors, and that was one of the differentiators for the Minis from Winnebago at the time. Of course, it came with the awning style windows, which pretty much every RV nowadays comes with them, and they're good in the sense that you can. Well, hello everybody, welcome one more time, and today I want to show you our Winnebago Micro Minnie 1706 FB 2014. Well, hello everybody. This is our Winnebago Micro Minnie 1706 FB 2015 model. Hello everybody. This is our Winnebago. Hello everybody, this is our 2015 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1706 FB. Well, as they say, all good things come to an end. And this was a short one, I'll admit it. But we tested towing for the first time with the Colorado, because the other day in Miami doesn't really count. And I got most of the video footage I wanted for the intro and the outro coming up. So I call this a successful trip. Whew, and I was finally able to film the much-delayed 4-year review of Minitini the trailer, our Winnebago Micro Minnie 1706 FB. So, double success this weekend.